Welcome to the Hydrogen ROCCS training video. This video will focus on one of Dreamtree's newest products, the Hydro ROCCS. First, we will go over the system part by part, so that you understand the entire system by video's end. Let's get started. Section 1. Parts. The ROCCS, or Reverse Osmosis Ceramic Conversion System, is designed to take normal tap water and convert it to alkaline antioxidant water. This is done by pumping water through a multi-stage filtration system, as shown by this diagram. The system we will go over today is a heavily modified version of the ROCCS, which will incorporate more filters, checkpoints, and systems. First, we will go over the different color lines that are present and what they mean. Yellow. These lines are the drain lines. These lines are responsible for draining the system of wastewater. Red. These lines are the water input lines. These lines are responsible for allowing the flow of water in from the water source. White. These lines are the general water lines. These lines have no other purpose other than to allow the flow of water throughout the system. Blue. These lines go directly to the tank. Now we can go through each filter of the Hydrogen ROCCS system. Filter 1. Sediment Precarbon Filter. This is the first filter of the Hydro ROCCS and may or may not look like the filter seen here. This filter is called the sediment filter and is designed to catch any sediment and contaminants present in the water. Filters 2 and 3. Carbon Block Filters. These are the second and third filters of the Hydro ROCCS. These filters are designed to help remove chlorine and chloramines from the water. Pressure Gauge. This is the checkpoint for your system. The amount of pressure that is acceptable is 26 pounds per square inch to 69 pounds per square inch. If your unit reads above or below this amount, please make sure to check your water lines for leaks or other signs of damage. Filter 4. Membrane Filter. This is the fourth filter of the Hydro ROCCS. This filter is designed to purify the water as it passes through. It can make 150 gallons per day. Filter 5. Alkaline Filter. This is the fifth filter of the Hydro ROCCS and may or may not look like this filter seen here. This filter is called the 13-inch Alkaline Heavy-Duty Filter and is used to help increase the pH of the water as well as add minerals to the water. Filter 6. Post-Carbon Filter. This filter is the last filter your water passes through before going into the tank. This filter is designed to catch any bacteria and improve the taste and odor of the water. The tank. The tank is used to store alkaline antioxidant water produced by the ROCCS process. It generally takes about 1 hour to fill the tank to the maximum. Once the tank has reached its maximum capacity, the system will then be ready to produce hydrogen alkaline antioxidant water. Filter 7. Tornado Filter. This filter is designed to add oxygen and descale your water as it passes through. The hydrogen module. This is the last filter the water passes through before going out of the faucet. The hydrogen module is designed to separate the molecules of water and add more hydrogen particles, then recombine them into a hydrogen-rich mixture of water that is then dispensed from the faucet. This unit will last approximately 1,500 liters. Section 2. Operation. Now that you have a good understanding of the ROCCS and the attached hydro system, it is time to put what you have learned to the test. We will start you out with the basics, how to begin operation of the unit. First, you will need to make sure that the 4 connectors for the water input, output, drain, and tank are all connected. Next, you need to flush the system. This is an important step as it helps to clear your filters of any loose debris and make sure the lines are connected like they should be. To flush the system, you need to open the drain valve on the right. This valve is shown here. This will flush the first 3 filters on the front of the unit. You should flush these filters for at least 2 minutes. Once this is done, you will need to close the valve and let the system run for at least an hour. This is to allow the system to fill the tank. Once an hour has passed and the tank is full, you need to flush the remaining filters. To do this, you need to open the left side drain valve. Flush the water through the system for at least 2 minutes. Then close the valve and run the machine for at least another hour. Once this has been done, plug in the hydrogen unit and push the start button. The hydrogen module has 3 green lights, S, F, and H. These 3 green lights signify system status. Only the hydrogen light will flash when the system is ready to be used. Let the system run for 2 minutes, and then you can use the system to your leisure. If there happens to be a power outage, simply press the start button again to restart the hydrogen module. The Hydro ROCCS has a built-in safety feature called the Auto Stop. This shuts off the hydrogen module after 10 minutes of continuous use. This feature was designed to prevent the system from overheating and will maintain the system of 10 minutes on, 5 minutes off. Section 3. Maintenance. Your Hydro ROCCS system has been designed to provide you with the highest quality water available. However, this will only last if you change your filters regularly. To get started, we will go over how to change each of the Hydro ROCCS filters. To begin changing any filters on the Hydrogen ROCCS system, you need to turn off the source water line. This line was covered earlier in Section 1 and can be seen here marked with red. Simply turning the valve will stop the flow of water into the system. Filters 1, 2, and 3. To change the sediment and carbon filters, you need to open the canisters the filters are in. This canister needs to be opened with the provided wrench. Make sure to open the canister and allow the water to drain out. Remember to put the O-ring back in place and to wash the canister the filter is in. Pull out the old filter and put in the new. Return the filter back to its place and tighten with wrench. Replace this filter every 3 months or sooner depending on your water quality. Filter 4. Membrane filter. To change the membrane filter, just disconnect the water line and open the filter case. Take out the old filter and replace with the new. Then, reconnect the water line to the membrane filter. This filter will last approximately 2 years depending on your water quality. Filter 5. Alkaline filter. To remove this filter, you need to remove the Easy Snap clips on both sides and disconnect the filter from the water lines. Once this is done, replace the filter and reconnect the water lines and Easy Snap clips. Replace this filter every 9 months or up to 1 year, depending on your water usage. Filter 6. Post-carbon filter. This filter is located near the middle of the unit and is marked with a post-carbon label. To remove this filter, you should disconnect the water lines and then remove the Easy Snap clips on each side of the filter. Once this is done, replace the filter and reconnect the water lines and Easy Snap clips. Replace this filter every 9 months or up to 1 year, depending on your water usage. The tornado filter does not need to be replaced, except for cases of physical damage. Remember, you should flush any filters you install. This was gone over in detail in Section 2. That's it! You've just completed the training for the Hydrogen ROCCS system. You now have all the information to better troubleshoot and maintain your system.